What's up, YouTube? This is your girl Erica Eats Online. Me and my son, he don't want to be on camera right now. Me and my son, we are on our way to a pizzeria here in Ferguson called Baked Pizzeria. It's kind of new, you know, so we're gonna go in and check it out. Enjoy the moment. This is downtown Ferguson. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. You feel what I'm saying? Come on, 100.3 to beat here. Baby, that hip hop music. STL's hip hop and R&B. Time for all white, right? Hit it if you tag high. Lanes can't call you late. You had it and you lost all the shot. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You should follow all the trends, don't talk to me. Let's set the bar on the bar. Get the sky, I'm a star. I ain't falling love, cause I be living hard. Do everything like my shirt. That's a large. I don't care, I cross a ghost. I be doing the most. This is Baked Pizzeria right here on S Florissant. Alright, let's find a nice little parking spot. Cute little parking lot. Plenty of parking. Actually, there's like lofts. These are lofts up here.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Proper kind of go yard back down. Like Santa.
Alright. Okay. It's really cute in here. Thank you.
A few minutes?
Yes, please. Okay. This is what's on the menu. Let's see. This is pretty much what the menu looks like. And I'm going to do a quick little pan around. Turn your head, Isaiah, if you don't want to be on film. And this is what it looks like. We're here kind of late, so there's nobody here. What do you have to taste for? Pepperoni pizza? Okay. So last time we were here, we did like a half pepperoni and what was that? The bacon. It's like a pancetta or a prosciutto mix. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We got a drink. Alright. Okay, we are in downtown Ferguson, and what I love about Ferguson is that they do have a lot of cute little restaurants down here. Like, I'll show you this, I don't know if you can see it across the, it's Benzino's. That's an Italian restaurant. I love that place. And then they have Kathy's Kitchen across the street. Simply Thai is coming. And then they have Quiznos. You know, so it's you know, it's really built up since, you know, we've had the riots and things, the Mike Brown riots. These places were always here. Kathy's Kitchen was here. Simply Thai is actually new. Quiznos was here. Benzino's was here as well. This baked place is brand new, but yeah, I like it. I like it. You know, I love Ferguson. You know, as you can see, a little couple out here is eating outside. Maybe I shouldn't be filming them, but it's too late now. But all right, this is what the pizza looks like. Half pancetta, half pepperoni. All right. I got this pancetta. Put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on it. Now, this pizza is pretty tasty, but like my son said, it's like a, what do you call it? What kind of pizza you call it? A school pizza? Arcade pizza? It's like an arcade pizza, but it's good. Ooh. Cheese pull is good. The pancetta is pretty good. Oh, hot. Yeah. Pretty tasty. How many we get a piece? 4. It's pretty good.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Let me try these hot peppers. Ooh. What? Pretty good. $18.09, which is about right for this type of place. I'm gonna be honest with you. Although this pizza is pretty good, save your money. Go to Papa John's, Pizza Hut. What's the other place? Little Caesars. It's cheaper and it's better. You know, because for $18.09, you might have to give up some ass. So if somebody take you on a date here, and they spending $18.09 on pizza and drinks, you might be giving up some ass. So get a good look at this. That's the address. $18.09. 1 pizza with 2 toppings and 2 sodas. All right. Later.